A single sneeze can shoot out at 100 miles per hour, unleashing a chaotic storm of microscopic droplets that linger in the air for hours. Imagine the tiny droplets, invisible yet potent, swirling around, carrying millions of bacteria and viruses in their wake. Each sneeze is a mini explosion, propelling these particles across a room, making the air you breathe a hidden battlefield of germs. While you can't see this chaotic cloud, it's there, altering the environment and potentially spreading illnesses. In a split second, a sneeze turns the air into an unpredictable whirlwind, a reminder of the unseen forces at play in our everyday lives. As we navigate through shared spaces, this invisible storm becomes a powerful testament to the hidden complexities of human interaction and the importance of simple acts like covering a sneeze.